Two things that made a big difference. This is a learning curve for me, obviously. I'm not very good at it. But I got the patch in, and it is welded into place. Tacked in mostly, kind of stitched, I think is what they call it. And I do have a crack right in here that I'm just going to fill. Obviously, weld won't take to that. But I'm going to patch this up and fill around, get it finalized. But two things I learned are, number one, don't forget to turn the gas on. I had forgotten to turn the gas on, the little welder that I have here. And the other thing is to double check your settings. I had it set way too high for the size steel that I'm using. So just double check your settings, have patience, and have fun with it. I guess this was kind of fun, something I've never done before. And we just keep on going. But I think this is going to be good enough for not allowing junk to fall out of the bed, out of the box. And when I get this bed liner sprayed in, then it will be all the better.